How to disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. It is a very simple and easy process, so just follow along. Firstly, on your device, open the Google Chrome web browser. In the web browser, at the bottom panel, you will see a three-dot icon. Click on it. After that, a menu like this will appear. If you are using an Android device, then this three-dot icon will appear at the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings. However, in the iOS, this kind of menu will open, and from the top panel, select the option Settings. Now the Settings menu will open on your screen. Scroll down to the very bottom section. At the bottom section, in the second number, you will see the option Content Settings. Click on it. Now select the option Block Pop-ups at the top of this page. As you can see here, right now the Block Pop-ups option is enabled. If you want to disable it, then simply tap on the switch icon and this option will be disabled. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.